Today's food for the soul. Are any of you wise or sensible? Then show it by living right and by being humble, and wise in everything you do. James 3:13. PayMaya Application. User ka ba? Kung oo ang sagot mo, para sa'yo ang tutorial na ito. Marami sa ating mga Pinoy ang user ng PayMaya Application sa send and receive ng money. Pero alam mo bang may additional info para makasiguro ka ng ipadadala mo ay makakarating sa tamang tao? At ito ang ituturo ko sa inyo. Please wait after the short intro. And disclaimer lamang po, not an expert, just sharing based on experience. What is PayMaya application? PayMaya is a free mobile wallet application that caters to your needs for safe and seamless financial transactions using your cell phone. You can use the PayMaya application to buy loads, send money, make bank transfers, pay bills, scan to pay via QR codes, purchase items online, and many more. In this video, I will teach you how to public your name na makikita every time na may mag-send ng money sa PayMaya account mo. Same with GCash. Ang difference lang sa GCash, automatic public agad. While PayMaya, it's your choice kung iset mo in public or not. Here's the steps from private to public. Step 1. Click the account icon on the screen. Step 2. Choose Settings. Step 3. Choose Set Public Name. Step 4. Move button from left to right. Step 5. Input your current password, then confirm. After ma-input ang iyong password, you will notice that the button is set on the right side. Means you have successfully set your name in public. Sa screen ay makikita nyo ang sample screenshot ng before and after ng setting up your name in public. So if ever someone is going to send money on your PayMaya account, they will see your name above your account number to ensure na tama ang account. So that's it. Sana makatulong.